Alright, what's going on, guys? I'm finally going to show you guys how to go into your CompuStar app and manually adjust your sensor settings yourself. So you can adjust your shock sensor, your tilt sensor, your glass break sensor, all right here within the app. I'm going to show you guys how to do that right now. Now, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and tap that subscribe button. Anyways, let's get right into the video here. So I got mine set up to where it opens up this main configuration screen here, or this main screen where you can unlock your doors and whatnot. So to get to your shock sensors adjustment, you want to go here to settings, right? Go to settings. And once you're there, you want to go to vehicles. You'll get a screen that looks like that. And then you want to tap on vehicles. Okay. Now once you're there, you want to go into system. Now once you're into system, as you can see here, you can adjust all your sensors. So for example, your shock sensor, I have mine pretty high, not all the way up. Window brake sensor, I have that all the way down, because if you watch my previous videos, we were having issues with the glass brake sensor or window brake sensor just randomly going off. So I have that adjusted all the way down, as well as on the brain of the CompuStar module, I have that adjusted really low. So we're not getting false alarms for that window brake sensor. And then the tilt sensor, I have that all the way up. I haven't had any problems with that, so I just keep that all the way up. And of course, a tilt sensor is if someone's trying to lift your car up on a tow, then your alarm is going to set off and you'll get the notification on your phone. But it's really just that simple. I noticed a lot of you guys were leaving comments saying you couldn't get into this menu here. Now, I wouldn't go crazy with these sensor adjustments. Don't put them all the way up, because you're going to get false alarms. Just try not to mess with too many things, because you will have some issues. And this app is already kind of buggy as it is, so you don't want to go in here and messing with things. So just keep that in mind, guys. That's going to end this video here. Just wanted to show you guys quickly how you can get into the settings and adjust your sensors right from home. All right, that's going to end this video. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Alex RT Life signing off.